In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your online store products using Mozello. First thing, on the left side menu, click on the section Store. Then the catalog management will open where you can manage all your products. The first thing I want to show you is how to create a new product. So click on Add Product button and the window will open where you can enter all the product parameters. For example, select the product category, enter the product name, add images from your computer, simply click on the button, then select the image, select upload, and the image will be uploaded. The best practice is to add as many images as possible from various angles. The next step is to enter the description. Make sure that it gives all the necessary information for your customers. The next step is you can select either the product is visible to visitors or either it's a featured product. Then you can set its price, for example 30. You can set its special price if you want. Then you can use stock if you want, or leave it blank if you don't want to use stock. Then you can select advanced settings to enter more parameters. For example, set the brand, model, weight, select the delivery method group, change the product page link, and manage variants. Regarding the product variants, there is another video about them that shows you how to use them. And also Mozello allows you to sell digital products. For example, if you would click this checkbox, this is a digital product, then you will be able to upload a file and also add a message for the product recipient. But this is not a digital product, so we untick this box. And once all the parameters have been inserted, simply click on the button Save. And you will see that the new product has been created. You can also rearrange the products by simply dragging them. You can drag them in specific categories if you want. Another thing I want to show you is how to simply duplicate products to make the process of creating new products a lot easier. So let's say we have a similar product to this one. Click on this product and select button Duplicate. And you will see that all the parameters have been copied. All you have to do is change the product title, add all the images about the new product, maybe adjust the description, maybe change the price, or go into advanced settings and adjust the parameters over there. Once you've done all that, simply click on Save and you will see that the new product has been created. So that's how easy it is to manage and create all your products in your online store using Mozello.